Our question 30 says you have the third derivative of y plus 4y prime equals to secant 2x. First, we need to form the auxiliary equation for the homogeneous part, which is m cubed plus 4m equal to 0, factor out m. We get m squared plus 4 equal to 0, so m is 0, m is plus minus 2i. So the general solution can be written as c1 e to power 0, which is 1, plus c2 cosine 2x plus c3 sine 2x. We need to form the Wronskian 1 and the derivatives of 1, they are 0, cosine 2x, the derivatives of cosine 2x, and sine 2x, and the derivatives of sine 2x. If you find the determinant, it's just 8. Now we know that y sub p is u1 y1 plus u2 y2 plus u3 y3. We need to find u1, u2, u3. We already have y1, y2, and y3. So u1 is the integral of w1 over the general Wronskian, which is 8, and w1 all related to the very first column is going to be 0, 0, and f, which is secant 2x. And the second column is y2 and its derivatives. So cosine 2x, negative 2, sine 2x, negative 4, cosine 2x. And the last column is just y3, which is sine 2x, 2 cosine 2x. We already found them. We're just going to copy these here. Negative 4 sine 2x. So let us find this determinant. This is going to be 0 times whatever it is, minus cosine 2x times, well, here it's going to be 0 minus 2 cosine 2x times secant 2x. They cancel out each other. So you end up with just negative 2 and plus sine 2x times, this is going to be 0 plus 2 sine 2x divided by cosine 2x. Let's see if we can simplify this. This has become 2 cosine 2x plus 2 sine squared 2x divided by cosine 2x. We can take the common denominator, which becomes 2 cosine 2x, cosine squared 2x plus sine squared 2x is just 1. So the outcome is just 2 secant 2x. So now we just substitute this here into the integral and we solve this integral. u1 is the integral of 2 secant 2x divided by the general Wronskian, which is 8. So we have a fourth integral of secant 2x dx. As you remember from Math 1b, this becomes a fourth times a half ln of absolute value of secant 2x plus tangent 2x. So you get 1 over 8 ln of absolute value of secant 2x plus tangent 2x. Very well. So this is our u1. Let me write down u1 up here. One over 8 ln of absolute value of secant 2x plus tangent 2x. Now we need to move forward, find u2 and u3. One by one, we find each missing function and we form a particular solution. u2 is the integral of w2 over w, and w2 is, so the very first column is related to y1, 1, 0, 0, and the second column is just going to be 0, 0 f of x, which is secant 2x, and the last column is related to y3, which is sine 2x, 2 cosine 2x, and negative 4 sine 2x. This guy becomes, well, you have 1 times, here you have 0 minus 2 cosine 2x times secant 2x, this is just 1. Then you have minus 0, the rest of them are going to be 0, plus sine 2x, and as you can see, this is going to be just 0. So it is negative 2. So u2 becomes the integral of negative 2 over 8 dx, which is negative x over 4. We found the u2, which is negative x over 4. Now we have to move on, find u sub 3. U sub 3 is the integral of w3 over w, and w3 is equal to the determinant where, well, the very first column is related to y1. So here you have 1, 0, 0, and the second column is related to y2, which is cosine 2x, negative 2 sine 2x, and negative 4 cosine 2x. And the last column, instead of y3, we're going to use 0, 0, secant 2x. Now we need to find this determinant. This determinant is equal to, well, you have 1 times negative 2 sine 2x divided by cosine 2x. And here you have 0 plus 0, so this guy is just negative 2 sine 2x divided by cosine 2x, or just tangent 2x. So your u3 becomes the integral of negative 2 over 8 sine 2x divided by cosine 2x dx. By using substitution, u is cosine 2x and du is negative 2 sine 2x. So you have everything that you need. This guy becomes 1 over 8 ln of absolute value of cosine 2x. We found u3 as well. u3 is 1 over 8 ln of absolute value of cosine 2x. Now that we have u1, u2, u3, we can form the particular solution as follows. The particular solution, y sub p, is u1, well, 1 over 8 times y1. y1 is just 1, so we're not worried about this. We're just going to copy down this guy here, absolute value of secant 2x plus tangent 2x plus u2, y2, negative x. We have cosine 2x divided by 4 plus u3, y3, sine 2x times ln of absolute value of cosine 2x divided by 8. This is y sub p, or the particular solution. Then the question says, hey, solve this. The general solution is y sub c, c1 plus c2 cosine 2x plus c3 sine 2x plus yp. So we have to copy down everything that we have here.